Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. After 120 solder joints on that Tiger learning computer board so far, I need a little break. So I'll work more on that tomorrow, I think. For tonight, I cracked open the... this is not a prototype, this is the prototype. This is the first working Jaguar 5200 controller conversion I ever built. This one is special because it has adjustable pots on the back here for what I originally used to tweak exactly what fixed resistor value to use. I've been tempted to sell a model like this. I just don't know how much interest there is in it. I'd have to source out a little bit different pots for this. I could tell. I mean, I still have hot glue in this one. This is not the. This is the one that I leave hooked up to my my 5200 all the time. This is the one I actually use day to day. If I actually play the 5200, I gotta pop it open real quick. See those? Look up on the upper left there. That is the diagnostic cart running, and this one's always a little tricky to get folded back in. I think I might do a little tape action here. You can tell it's my prototype. I've got all my little handwritten notes on here. I have a notebook too with all the different discoveries I made. I actually printed out the entire Atari 5200 service manual as well. That one gave me some clues to how it works, especially the trackball. They had one that was an interesting one. So I dove into that a couple of years back. So yeah, this is the OG controller here. So it still works. And the reason I have it open is I wanted to have had some requests about a few games like Vanguard not working correctly, and I saw I also tried Star Wars the arcade game, and that wasn't working very well either. So I wanted to fire up this bad boy. Usually this one actually has fixed resistors in here. I don't usually have the pots going on. Okay, let me see if I can fold this right. This is not, I mean, you could tell this is the first one I ever made. Actually got to work, so long screws go on the bottom. I just built one up which actually has adjustable pots internally, but this one actually has external adjustable pots. So let's see how this works. First game I wanted to try out was Vanguard. Let's see if I can get that to work. I was thinking of trying is adding some capacitance to emulate the time it takes for you to move the controller from one edge to the other. Because the original 5200 controllers use a rubber centering mechanism, which is a little bit slow. And there's this neat little wiping arm sliders that would move the pots around. You can see that's my prototype. Plug that back in. I've got my 5200 right by my feet. Let's see where Vanguard's at. Let's see, it's too touchy on the way down. That's going up too fast. See, this is why I usually like running the... That's okay. I usually like running I don't like the pots, they're too easy to hit. It's not a 32K round. Let's see. Let's see if he's just 16K. Buttons on this one always been slow. I've adjusted them a couple times. They really got to work. Oh, it's not that one. Maybe do I not have it? Okay. 8K. Let's try one of those. Oh, well. That answers why. Let's see how this works. See, she's going too far to the left. There we go. Left, right. Okay, that's adjusted. Okay. Oh, it's two different jumps. He's got a jump and a forward jump. Well, that's kind of wild. Okay. That's it for that one. Yes, I don't have that game. Let's see. Let's try Choplifter. Taking off. She's drifting very slightly to the left. Let's see. Oh, too far. Okay, so now she's just going. Now she's to the right. Now this game has a very poor auto centering. That's the problem. That's decent now. There's another one who's complaining about it's Pac-Man, I think. So I don't think I have. Let's see. Oh, I don't actually have a Vanguard. Let's see. Let's try my favorite. Let's try Ball Blazer here. Forward, back, left, right. That one's working. Oh. See, I keep bumping the darn. Well, that was my back and front. Okay, front. Alright, let's see. Left. Let's get rid of right. Left, right, left, right. Forward, back. So I don't have Vanguard. Let's go with Star Wars, I think. Star Wars, the arcade game. Let's see. So I'll show you the problem I have with Star Wars. See, right now it's centered way too far off to the left, so let's get that centered there. Let's get this guy centered. Let's see, right about there. Oh, sorry. Oh, it does go all the way up. All the way down. So the problem is when you hit it, see how it jumps instantly? I want it to like creep over slightly. It makes the game almost impossible to play because it can only fire at the corners basically. So I want to emulate that time it takes to drag over. So alright, according to the maths, I think what I want to do is throw. Let me look at my. So I've got about 220. Yeah, let's go with 250k resistance. So to get a time constant of 0.25, it's 2.25 seconds. It's 1 microfarad. So decay time. I can throw a microfarad across there. Let's take a look. Oh, second, let me grab a cap. Let's open this back up. Maybe I'll throw some caps across there. See if it helps at all. If anyone wants one of these weirdo units with adjustable pots, let me know. I don't think the location's all that ideal. I was thinking of doing something for production once, putting them here. They actually have spots for it there. So when you're playing, or maybe coming up this direction, like right here, so you can, lack of a better term, fiddle with your fingers here if you wanted to play the game that way. So, I don't know. Let me know. Come on. How can you still be stuck? Really? Oh, that's kind of unique. Right, get out of there. Alright. So I'm thinking of doing is throwing a cap across each of these just to slow them down. Yeah, let's see. I'll grab a cap. Let's see. Let's go with a plain old 1 microfarad. That's too much. I'll go down from there. So power wise, this white wire here is actually the power. If it doesn't work in this location, I'll try a different spot. I don't know if I'm going to have to throw a resistor in series with it, maybe, and have that go to ground. So this is the crudest way to do it. And if this doesn't work, I'll try something different. Okay, power's going this way. This is really hokey, but I'll try it anyway. Again, this is my prototype. I'm not sending this out to anyone. Got to be able to fit this in your case though. Yeah, that's fine there. Okay. Do the same thing for the other guy. solder in there. Let's see how this goes. This will either work great or not at all. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to put a didn't want that wire to come off. If this doesn't work, what I'll do is I'll move it over to the going down to the ground, and I'll have a better fixed resistor for that one instead of a pot. Okay. Well, let's see how this goes. Ooh, this is ugly. Okay. My bet is it's not going to work. I still don't know why this. The problem that happens is these little guys here get unseated really easily. See, I just unseat it myself with my fingers. Okay. Don't bother trying to pause the video and trying to figure out what colors are what, because this prototype actually is different resistor values than the different colors than all the other ones I've ever made. This is actually a different, even a prototype cable. See, I bumped that damn resistor again. Oh, this is why I don't like using exposed pots. It's just bad juju. I'll get in here and see if I can fire up Star Wars again. Feels like I've pinched wire. No, that's not pinched. That's being stupid. Okay. Center it. Ooh, why is this one so sensitive now? Ooh. Something can go right there. This one's like super duper sensitive now. Yeah. Something's not right there. I'll pop those caps off. So it looks like I'm going to have to do something like we're going to have to go to the common instead. They're charging and discharging strangely, so it's causing odd things to happen. Alright. Get those off there. Alright, so the number I'm looking for is actually, pull this up so you can actually see it. Get around 77 or 7F, somewhere in there. Alright. So, where's the common on this sucker? It's up here, actually. Can't see it here because I have it covered, but there's a couple spots, and there's 3 spots in here. Actually, I had to cut the traces on it. Okay, so all the way at the end, I do have a common. Let's see, common. Let's think here. I could do it up here. There's your 2 outputs here. I'll show you. You got kind of the order it goes in. You have your where's it going? It goes in order of down, left, up, pause, start, column 4, trigger, common, fire, reset, column 4 again, right, and another common. Okay. So I'll grab a common off of here. Run a little wire around the front. Why's it gotta be a black wire? You know, I think that's enough for tonight. Yeah, I'll have to think about how to do the circuit on this a little bit more. And I don't have a copy of Vanguard. Let's see if I can find one online. Oh well. Thanks for watching, everyone.